Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a little animation with the help of Blender software. I am Dipanshu. Now we will start by scaling this cube in the x direction like this to make it a cuboid. Now we will add a plane which will serve as its base like this. We can scale it a little bit less like this. Now we will just have to place this cuboid over this surface like this. Perfect. Now we will going to add a cube to our little project. Now we will change its physics properties of this cube. Now when we go to physics properties and in rigid body, we will its type to be active. We will change its weight to 20 kg and change its shape from convex to mesh. We will increase its friction also and change its dynamics also a little bit. Now we will change the physics properties of our plane also. We will make it passive and change its shape from convex to mesh, increase its friction also. Now we do the same thing to our cuboid also. Because it's animated, we will select, change it to passive and then animated, change its shape from convex to mesh and increase its friction also. Now when we start our animation, our cube falls like this. Now we will select this cube and we want to move our cuboid also. So we will press N on our numpad and then I for its location. So at frame 1 we have recorded its position. Now we go to frame number 100. We came at frame 100. Now we just have to grab this cuboid like this to here in y direction. Now we just have to press I and then location. So this location is marked. Now when we will start our animation, our cuboid also moves like this. Perfect. Now after completing this, we will duplicate our cube with the help of Shift D like this. So I think we have added sufficient amount of cubes. We can adjust them a little bit like this. So I think we have placed all of the cubes in their respective positions. I think it's perfectly fine now. Now we will change a little bit settings to make our world a little bit more colorful like this. Now we will try to add some of the colors in our system. Now when we are in render mode, so I will try to add some colors in our plane also. So I will add some colors, going to new and then change its color. I will go with the green. I think green is fine, so I added green color to our plane. Now we will try to add colors into our other elements. So now I selected our cuboid and we will try to change its color frame by frame. So we have to change its surface to diffuse BSDF. To do so, now I chosen its purple bluish color for frame 1, and now I will pin it. So at the frame 1 we will got this type of color for our cuboid. Now when we go to frame number 80 and I choose a different color, it's like bluish green, and I pinpointed it. So when we play our animation, as you can see, the color is changing the way between 0 to 80 frames. Now we will do the same thing with our cubes also. So now I will select this cube and to new, I will change its surface from principal BSDF to diffuse BSDF because we want to change its color throughout the process. Now I will select its color to be a little bit reddish in the starting. As you can see, no, I think purple should be fine. A little bit purple, yes, this should be fine. And I will pinpoint this for the frame 1. Now when we go to frame number 70, I can change its color to reddish, and I will pinpoint this again. So now when we start our animation, the color changes like this. Now we have to add this feature to rest of our cubes also. So now I will add material 3 to them. So I added same kind of material to all of these. Now when we start our animation, it goes like this. So I think the purpose to create the animation is completed. I guess so. And if we want to add some another colors in between the frames, we can also do by selecting color and pinpointing the frames. Like I am selecting this cuboid, and when I go to frame 50 and then I will choose a different color, so I will go for green this time. No, green I have already taken. I will go yellow for this time. Now I have just to pinpoint this location, and as you can see I have pinpointed this. Now when we start our animation again, it changes its color from purple to yellow and then green, like this. So this is the whole idea. That's all from my side. Thank you.